Howdy folks, HVAC Repair Guy here. Today, we're stepping into the ultimate category to look at two top-tier ducted split systems. In this corner, we've got the Goodman GXV9S, and over here, the Trane 5TTV0X. These aren't your basic units. These are the high-tech, variable speed heavyweights. First up, the Goodman GXV9S. This model is all about high efficiency performance, reaching up to 19 SEER 2. It's got a variable speed swing compressor and a quiet, digitally commutated fan motor. One of its standout features is the built-in diagnostic indicator lights and a 7-segment LED display right on the unit. It also uses a high-density compressor sound blanket to keep things quiet, down to 45 decibels in quiet mode. Plus, Goodman stays true to form with a lifetime limited warranty on the compressor for the original owner. Now, let's look at the Trane 5TTV0X, part of the XD TruComfort series. This machine is a beast, pushing up to 21.5 SEER 2. It features the Climatough variable speed compressor, which can vary its speed in tiny increments, 0.1%, to keep your home's temperature rock steady. You're also getting Trane's exclusive woven spine fin coil and the WeatherGuard 2-top to protect it from the elements. It's engineered for those who want maximum precision and durability. Now, I've got to ask you, if you were putting your own hard-earned money down today, would you go for the high-tech precision of the Trane or the solid value and lifetime warranty of the Goodman? Why? Tell me in the comments section below. I want to see a real debate down there. Both of these units use communicating technology. Goodman uses their proprietary logic, while Trane utilizes the Trane Link system for remote diagnostics. While the Goodman GXV9S is built for affordability and ease of service with more universal style parts, the Trane 5TTV0X is a premium tank designed to handle extreme heat and humidity with proprietary components like that refrigerant-cooled inverter drive. So, who gets the final pick? If you're looking for the absolute best in energy efficiency and the most precise temperature control money can buy, the Trane 5TTV0X is the winner. It's built to a higher standard of ruggedness, but if you want a high-efficiency system that's easier on the wallet and comes with that peace of mind lifetime compressor warranty, you can't go wrong with the Goodman. For the ultimate category, though, I'm giving the edge to the Trane for its sheer engineering. Stay cool, and I'll catch you on the next one.